When you receive a Bikeflights Bike Box, you'll notice that it comes with a few essential packing accessories. In this video, we're going to dive into these bits and explain what they are and how to use them. The essential packing accessories are 2 spline dropout spacers, 2 foam triangles, 8 pinch clips, 4 axle protectors, 1 label pouch, 4 bungees. We'll start with the pinch clips because they are used to build your box. The pinch clips are made out of biodegradable plastic and are designed to hold your box together without the need for packing tape. As you assemble your box, there are holes on the top and bottom caps that align with the end and side panels. The pinch clips are inserted into these holes so the tabs reach through both side and end panel flaps before snapping into place. We'll cover the dropout spacers and foam triangles together since they work in conjunction with each other. The dropout spacers take the place of your wheel hubs and prevent your fork and rear triangle from being compressed by external forces. The dropout spacers are splined and adjustable to 9 different axle widths. Remove your front wheel and size your dropout spacer to fit. Then insert it into the hole in the top of the foam triangle before placing it in your fork dropout. Tighten your axle. Now your fork will be supported and stable inside the box. Do the same to the rear wheel, but do not use a foam triangle. The second foam block is for securing under your bottom bracket. You can do this with one of the provided bungees. This keeps your chainring elevated off the bottom of the box, which will prevent damage to both the box and your chainring. There are 4 axle protectors that come with each box. We always recommend protecting your axles when shipping. We see the highest incidence of claims reported from unprotected axles coming in contact with your frame or other equipment during transit and causing damage. Remove one or both wheels depending on the box you're shipping in. Next, remove your rotors. These can easily become bent during transit, so it's always a good idea to remove them when you remove a wheel for shipping. Grab an axle protector and weave the slotted ends through the spokes so that the center spans across your axle. This increases surface area and will help prevent your axle from punching through the side of the box or rubbing against your frame or other wheels. Once you've got your bike packed inside of your box, you'll use the provided bungees to secure your frame, wheels, and other gear to the divider. This prevents items inside of your box from moving as individual pieces and rubbing against each other, causing scratches or damage. Finally, you'll see a label pouch in your accessory bag. This is a great way to attach a label to your box without the need for tape. Find the open end and insert your label. Remove the adhesive backing and affix your label to the end of your box, not the top or the sides. This is the best spot to place a label as it's less likely to become damaged or torn off. That's our essential packing accessories explained. Give this video a like, and for more helpful packing and shipping related videos, subscribe to the Bikeflights YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.